In this video I will show you safe way to remove accounts from Microsoft Authenticator app. You may find removing accounts helpful in cases where you have lost or replaced your phone. If you are switching phones, removing the account helps prevent unauthorized access. You may also remove the account if you no longer trust the device. Additionally, when you leave a company or school, their account should be removed. To do this, go and open Microsoft Authenticator app. Next, tap the account you wish to remove. Next, tap on gear-like icon at top right corner. Next, select Remove Account. I will select second option saying all apps on this device because it removes the account from Authenticator and signs you out of every other Microsoft app on that phone. You can see account has been removed successfully. Instead of previous screen, if you got this, then click on Continue to remove an account from Microsoft Authenticator app. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.